Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of point of sale chart support in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app transforms your POS by enabling seamless communication with features like text messaging, file attachment, and even audio or video calls or directly enabling seamless communication with features like text messaging, file attachment, and even audio or video calls or directly accessible from your POS. Enable the chatter option to activate this powerful feature and streamline team communication in real time and boost collaboration. Enable the chatter option to activate this powerful feature and streamline team communication effortlessly. So, for that, we will go into the point of sale, configuration, settings, and we will make sure that the chatter checkbox is enabled. After that, in dashboard, we will start a new session. And in here, we can see a chat option. Here you can see the people and the channel you want to chat with. If you click on a new message, you can write a person's name you want to chat with. Here I am selecting Mark Demo and I am messaging hello. Here we can see the hello is sent to Mark Demo. Now we will write another message. And we can see the message is sent to the Mark Demo. Here we can see an attachment button. I will select an image and will send to Mark Demo, writing, "Can you check this product?" Now, after closing the session, I will go into the discuss, and in here when I click on the Mark Demo, we can see the messages we have sent from the point of sale. Here we can see the image we attached in the chat box. After messaging to any user, you can also message to a channel. Like if I select an administrator here and I will type, "Hello, can we have a meeting?" The message is sent, and if I go into the discuss, if I open that channel, we can see that the message is sent in the channel. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.